ay meron siyang it has the aroma of cinnamon, vanilla, and red fruits. Meron, on the palate naman is meron siyang tropical fruits, banana toffee, and vanilla ice cream. Ang finishing notes niya is orange zest, dark chocolate, and crushed spices. Meron siyang cask curation. Ito yung accompaniment niya ng finest cigars. Sa mga mahilig mag-cigars, ito yung the best pairing ng whiskey namin. So, isa siyang single malt whiskey na matured sa American White Oak, ex-bourbon cask, Matusalem Oloroso Sherry cask, and Cabernet Sauvignon barrels. So, ayan si cigar malt. So, ang price niya is 8,088 pesos. Okay. The next one, wait, ayusin mo natin yung boxes. Ito yung box niya, guys. Ayan. Ito ang box ni cigar malt. Ayan. Ayan po siya. Wala siyang years, guys, ang cigar malt. So, ito yung box niya. Cigar malt whiskey. Dito naman tayo kay Dalmore 15. Ayan po si Dalmore 15. Si Dalmore 15 naman, it has the aroma of orange marmalade, cinnamon, and nutmeg. On the palate, mandarin vanilla, ginger, and crushed apples. Sa finishing notes niya is caramelized orange and rich dark chocolate. So, single malt din siya, guys. Lahat ng aming Dalmore whiskey is single malt. Ang kanya namang cask curation is finished in different styles of sherry cask, including Apostles, Amoroso, and Matusalem Oloroso. Doon siya ginawa. Ayun yung cask na ginamit sa kanya. So, ang price naman ni Dalmore 15 is 8,378. Ayun yung price niya. So, ito naman yung box ni Dalmore 15. Ayan. Ayan po ang kanyang box. Okay. So, balik na natin yung kanyang box. The next one is Dalmore Sherry Cask. Si Dalmore Sherry Cask naman is single malt din siya. But naka-age naman siya in 12 years. In 12 years naman, guys, si Sherry Cask naman is it has the aroma of caramelized orange, ginger, and sultanas laced with honey. On the palate naman, dark chocolate, crushed almonds with a dusting of cinnamon. Ang kanyang finishing notes is sweet mangoes, panna cotta, and lemon sponge cake. So, ang kanya namang cask, in different style, age of Oloroso Sherry cask, balancing nutty flavors with sweet PX influence. So, ang price naman niya is 8,378. Ito po yung kanyang box. Ayan. Ganyan po ang kanyang box. Dito lang po kami. Meron kami sa Naiya 123 shop. Under po ito ni Emperador. Ayan po yung kanyang box. Okay. The next one is Dalmore 12. Si Dalmore 12 naman is naka-age siya ng 12. Lahat po sila ang alcohol by mamaya na, okay. Ito muna Dalmore 12. Meron kaming 12 na sherry cask, meron namang 12 na regular lang. So ang kanyang aroma is citrus fruits, chocolate, and aromatic spices. On the palate naman, Seville oranges, dried fruits, and hints of vanilla pads. Finishing notes niya, guys, is roasted coffee and dark chocolate. So, single malt din siya and matured in American white oak ex-bourbon cask and finished in rare and aged Oloroso sherry cask. Ang kanyang alcohol by volume is 40%. Natural lang po siya sa whiskey. Okay, ito naman yung kanyang box. Ayan. Okay. Ayan po ang kanyang box. Ang price niya is 5,518. Okay, ito namang alcohol by volume niya pala, guys, is 40%. 43%. Mas mataas daw siya ng 3% kay Dalmore 12 years regular. The next one is yung alcohol by volume ng Cigar Malt with 44% alcohol by volume. Medyo mas mataas na talaga. Ito namang 50 ng alcohol by volume is 40%. Ayan kung 40% is natural sa whiskey. Any kind of whiskey, naglalaro siya sa 40% and above. So for now, ito muna yung aking ipapakita sa inyong mga Dalmore whiskey with different ages. Okay? Sa next vlog ko is yung iba pa naming Dalmore, which is price medyo mas mahal dito. Mas mahal. Meron kasi kaming Dalmore na magugulat kayo sa price. So, malalaman nyo yan sa aking next vlog. See you guys!